Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on ETX Capital. At the end of the video, we will reveal a helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so stick around. Let's get started. ETX Capital is a fully regulated online broker that features trading in Forex, indices, shares, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. With over 50 years of experience, it's no wonder why many traders choose ETX Capital as their preferred broker. Their official platform is ETX Trader Pro, which is compatible with Windows, Android, and iOS. However, they also support trading on MetaTrader 4 if you would prefer. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on ETX Capital. Firstly, head over to their website at www.etxcapital.com. On their home screen here, you will see Open Live Account and Open Demo Account. Click on Open Demo Account. We are going to be creating a demo account on ETX Trader Pro for Windows. Enter your personal information such as your name, email, mobile phone number, and create a password. And it's that easy. This is the ETX Trader Pro platform on Windows. At the top right section of the dashboard here, we have our main graph windows. You can change your graph types by clicking on the 3-dot Settings tab and selecting Graph Types. You can choose from either candlestick, bar, or various others, as well as changing a variety of settings that you can customize to your liking. You can zoom in and out of these graph windows with your mouse wheel. If you wish to change your main graph windows to full screen windows, all you will need to do is click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected graph window. On the top right of the main graph windows, we can see our buy and sell orders. This is where you can make individual buy and sell orders on the selected currency pairs or trading instruments that you have chosen. On the middle left of the main dashboard here, we can see our Popular Markets tab, which displays all the popular trading instruments that ETX Capital provides. On the left side of the Popular Markets tab, we can see our Market Search. This is where we can select our preferred trading instruments. You can change your preferred trading instruments like this, which then adds the instrument, in our case, it's the Forex major currency pairs, to the main market window. If you wish to add a selected trading instrument to your main graph section, all you will need to do is right-click on the selected instrument or pair and click on Chart. This will then open its own chart window in the main graph section. At the top left side of the dashboard here, we can browse through trading tools, save or create new layouts, view your open and close positions, or select the support option. This is where you can get assistance from a support representative for any questions or help that you might require. At the bottom section of the main dashboard here, we can see our open positions, order history, and/or any alerts that we might get. If you right-click on the main graph window section, you can gain additional settings to further customize your graphs to your liking. These main graph windows can be selected into a pop-up window, which then allows you to freely move your main graph windows to suit your preference. ETX Capital also features a wide range of educational guides, beginners videos, and webinars where you can learn the basics of Forex trading, platform functionality, and many other topics. Their video tutorials offer topics and walkthroughs and many other beginner factors to help you get started. You can also sign up to their webinars if you would prefer a more in-depth educational experience. One tip that could be beneficial to you, if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, is to consider improving your money management strategy. Most traders can see moves and are able to predict the market direction, but the same can sometimes not be said for trends. Sometimes, you'll be able to get in, and almost as fast as you entered, you get stopped out quickly. Then, due to volatility, the market reverses in the direction of your trade, and the payout increases significantly. However, you are not involved. Money management can significantly reduce this risk factor. If you decide to place stops too close to an entry and get removed by a never-changing market, you have already suffered losses. Forex trading will always have its risks, so consider placing your stop far enough from the market action to leave some space for volatility. In order to make money in Forex, you're going to have to take some risks. Placing stops too close to entries and not taking enough risk will result in losses or failure. Consider being patient when you have made a profit and give the trade some room. The largest trends sometimes last months or years, so patience and observation with a key money management strategy could help reduce the risk of suffering losses and help you maximize your profits. And that's how to open a demo account on ETX Capital. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you're currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck.